Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. This is Paul speaking from Jap-Auto-Agent, and today we're going to do a video demonstration of a 2007 Toyota Estima. This is the 3.5 litre V6 with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. This vehicle has only done 31,000 miles, so you could confidently say that this vehicle has got its life in front of it and not behind. For a 2007 car, that's very low mileage, and it's a very clean car, non-smoker's car. This vehicle has been cherry-picked direct from the Japanese car auctions in Japan. We selected it for our customer. We've shown him the photographs, inspected the vehicle on the day in the auction, and we've given him guidance as to what the price we expected it to make. And it's come within the budget. We target these cars direct from the auctions, and all we've got to try and do is outbid the local domestic trade dealers or other dealers from around the world in this particular on this particular vehicle. More likely that would be Australia. Very popular in Australia, this vehicle, but we've got it for our customer. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a non-smoker's car, as you can see. The specification, the features it's got: 2 power doors, smart keys. The list just goes on and on and on. The chassis is rust-free underneath, and considering that this vehicle is actually 4-wheel drive, selectable 2- and 4-wheel drive, it's just got everything. Plus, it's 8 seats as well. So that's actually quite rare. There's about 1 in 20 8-seaters. These cars are not easy to find. I know this because I'm searching for them all the time. Somebody once rang me up and said, "I know you, but you don't know me." And I said, "Well, go on." And he said, "Well, I work down in Southampton docks, and I watch your cars coming out of the docks, and I can tell you, you're bringing in the best cars that come to the UK." And I replied to him, "Well, actually, I do know that, because I pick them out in the first place." So, contact me if you want to learn more. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.
Hello, here we've got a beautiful Toyota Estima that we've just picked up from the auction, and as you can see, we're here at the auction with lots and lots and lots of cars. So what have we got? This is a 2007. It's a 3.5 litre V6, and it's a 4-wheel drive. So, and you can see the colour. It is a lovely grey. It's not a silver, it's a grey. The sunlight's there, and it's beautiful. Really is a quality car. I think these are quite good value at the moment. A little bit cheaper than the Alphards and the Vellfires. At the moment the market's pretty tough to get a lot of these cars. Look at that gloss, it's lovely. I might be on the wrong side of the sun here. So we've got, that refocuses, touch buttons there to unlock the doors. All of these, is my camera going to refocus? There we go. You can see all of these seats are in beautiful condition. The gear stick is here. This is what they do at the auctions. They put it in there so it doesn't get pinched. What I like about these, you get in here and you see this fresh plastic. Someone's really taken care of this car. It's an 8-seater, as you can see. And all of it is in really good condition. This one's got cameras at the back and on the left side and at the front. You can see it's had floor mats in it, and that's probably why the condition of the floors and the carpets is so good. Look at that. Look at that. It's lovely. Little bit of grime, that'll clean up very easily. You see all these plastics, there's not really a lot of scratching. So it's a lovely car to buy. So this one's got 49,000 kilometers. I don't know if that's flashing in the phone, but that is not flashing in real life. I don't know if it's my phone going funny there, but when I look at it, it looks perfectly fine. So we've got the twin power doors. You see they both work nicely. And we've got the reversing camera with the guidelines there. This has also got the surround camera. Well, that's the front and that's the left side. So quite a nice car. That's even nice when you see that too. So there you have it. It's a beautiful Toyota Estima we've just picked up. Thanks for watching.
We are a UK-based personal car import agent trading since 2004. We have a proven track record supplying thousands of Japanese cars direct from Japan to customers throughout the UK. Working as your appointed agent for a fixed commission, we provide a 4-step personal car import service. This is an opportunity to cherry pick and safely buy the best high-grade, low-mileage cars direct from Japanese car auctions at export trade prices for personal import to the UK. You will make large savings on UK retail prices while buying the best quality cars available in Japan. It's a genuine win-win opportunity. Before the auction starts, background checks and hands-on inspection are carried out by the Japanese staff. Under Japanese law, any accident history or mileage discrepancy must be declared by the auction and shown on the auction report. The truth is, the best cars normally stay in Japan. They are bought by Japanese dealers for resale because the best cars will pass a strict Japanese roadworthy test, known as a shaken. Shaken failures are seen in Japan as fits for recycle or export. Many turn up in the UK without the auction report to maximise the dealer's profit margins. So it's vital to see a genuine translation of the auction report before the sale starts. Once we have found a particular car, we next arrange our hands-on inspection to confirm the condition matches the auction report and take a large number of photos. Keep in mind, we are not car dealers buying and selling for profit. Why supply bad cars when it's just as easy to supply a great car from the fountain of supply and simply keep adding to our long-established superb track record? Check out our customer reviews or head to our YouTube channel found on our website to see the quality of the cars we supply. To learn more, pick up the phone and speak to us direct without obligation. Ask for Paul. Telephone 01625 560 505 or on mobile 07989 560 505. Our email sales@Jap-Auto-Agent.com.